That's kind of a weird feeling. On to the next chapter. Kind of sweet and sad experience there. A lot of memories. No more Smitty. Smitty's gone. I tried to tell myself that 2017 was the end of the road. I was wrong. Because I didn't choose the GMC Motorhome. The GMC Motorhome chose me. To understand how it all started, we have to go back to 2015. I was just a van guy looking for a cool story. Pretty excited about this opportunity that a fan just reached out to me, right? And asked to have me come in and check out what they're doing. I'm in an undisclosed location where they do vintage RV stuff. So guys, right here is, they have a shower set up out here outdoors that runs on a instant hot water tank, which I think is pretty wicked. So I can get myself a good hot shower. I'm gonna also show you a couple other things here, just a moment. The service manager and also the owner here, they're fans of the channel and everything, and they hooked me up with power. And then also out here where I am, I have Wi-Fi connection. I'll show you that too, which is pretty cool, right out here where they have me parked and boondocking. And they've given me access to the shop even after hours. Look, I was a kid and I'd had surgery in my midbrain. Sometimes when you've had stuff in the middle of your head and the emotional center stirred up, you can be kind of naive. Here to have some authentic Cuban food. We got the Havana Cafe in Bristow. Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a chance to see the Cuban food that I'm eating over here. This stuff is amazing. The chicken is perfectly sauteed. I haven't gotten a chance to dig into the meat that was suggested to me. It's supposed to be something that they're really proud of. And then I have some plantains and some corn here. So it should be good eats, man. Hello guys, I'm over here in Lake Mary, Florida, not too far from where I work. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about Vanstock, and then also give you an update on what I'm going to be doing with the GMC Co-op over in Orlando, Florida. Next, I want to really talk to you guys about a great opportunity that I've had with the GMC Co-op. So I got to hang out with them for a good full weekend. I got to see some of the stuff that they were doing over there, restoring GMC coaches from the 1973 to 78 era. They're a company that does restoration projects on vintage RVs. Now, they primarily do them on the GMC coach line, which is, from what I'm experiencing and learning about it, I think it's real cutting edge. I think those GMC coaches were way ahead of their time. If you don't know what the GMC coaches are, maybe you could, if you remember the movie Stripes, a GMC RV coach was used in that movie as an urban assault vehicle. So that should help give you an idea. So the folks at GMC Co-op have given me permission to tell their story and hang out with them and see what they're doing, and maybe even show some videos on how to go ahead and do different restoration projects on your own. So it should be a really cool thing. I hope you tune in and check that out. We got big things coming. Can't wait till Route 66, but that kid's got a lot that he's going to be learning here over the next few videos.